If you also want to install a 1 kilowatt solar setup at your home, then listen carefully because this information will help you a lot. In today's market, you will find many different devices with the help of which you can easily install a 1 kilowatt solar setup at your home. If you already have an old inverter and battery installed at home, then good news for you. With the help of that existing inverter and battery, you can still make a 1 kilowatt solar setup. For this, you only need to add an external solar charge controller. You have to connect this controller with the solar panels and then connect it with the battery. As soon as you do this, your 1 kilowatt solar setup is ready. And yes, this is the cheapest way to make a solar system at home. Now, after this, you must have heard three terms: on-grid, off-grid, hybrid. But here we'll talk only about off-grid. The reason is simple. In the 1 kilowatt range, almost no one installs on grid. And in hybrid systems, there is no proper inverter. Even in on-grid systems, there is no inverter. Hybrid also does not give you a dedicated inverter. But in off-grid systems, almost every brand offers an inverter that can easily support a 1 kilowatt setup. Now understand one important thing. Everyone's requirement is different. Some people only want to install 1 kilowatt of panels just to get 4 to 5 units of electricity daily. Others want to run a full 1 kilowatt load and also install 1 kilowatt of panels. That is why choosing the right inverter is the most important step. If you choose the wrong inverter, your load will not run properly. So let us first talk about those people who only want to install 1 kilowatt of solar panels. For them, the UTL Gamma 1 kVA inverter is a good option. From Luminous, the NXG Pro is also a solid choice. In EA Pro, you will also get a similar inverter. Apart from these, there are other brands as well that offer 1 kVA inverters. On these inverters, you can run around 500 to 600 watt load easily, and at the same time, you can install 1 kilowatt of solar panels. Now let us talk about the price. In almost every brand, these inverters are available between 10 to 12,000 rupees. Along with this, you will need one battery. The battery cost comes to around 12 to 13,000 rupees. Now coming to the solar panels. If you go for the latest technology panels like N-type, top bifacial, mono per half cut, or any technology you prefer, you can easily get them at around 18 to 20 rupees per watt. Apart from panels, there is also the cost of stand and wiring. So let us calculate the total cost. Inverter around 12,000 rupees, battery around 13,000 rupees, panels around 20,000 rupees. This brings the total to around 45,000 rupees. Now add stand, wiring and other small items. This can cost anywhere between 5,000 to 10,000 rupees. The final cost depends on the quality and brand of material you choose. So roughly speaking, a 1 kilowatt off-grid solar system with one battery will cost around 50 to 55,000 rupees. Now, what if you also want to run a full 1 kilowatt load? In that case, the solution is simple. You just need to change the inverter. In ePro, you get the ePro 1800 inverter. This comes with 1500 VA load capacity. It can easily handle a 1 kilowatt load. Even with this inverter, the total system cost will remain almost the same. Now let us talk about people who want extra battery backup. For extra backup, you can go for a 2 battery inverter. With 2 batteries, you must take at least a 2 kVA inverter. Only then will your 1 kilowatt load run smoothly. But if you are planning for the future, then think one step ahead. Go for a 3 kVA inverter. On this inverter, you can run up to 2 kilowatt load, and you can also install up to 2 kilowatt solar panels. That is why this is called a future-proof system. Now let us talk about the cost of this upgrade. The inverter will cost you around 5 to 7,000 rupees extra. A 3 kVA inverter is available at around 17 to 18,000 rupees. You will also need one extra battery, which will cost around 13,000 rupees. So the total system cost will come to around 70 to 75,000 rupees. But remember, this system is future ready. Later, you can add more panels and run more load without changing the inverter. Now let us talk about a budget-friendly option using a solar charge controller. If you want to make a 1 kilowatt setup using a solar charge controller, you have two options. The first option is for single battery users. You can use an MPPT technology solar charge controller. This controller is available for around 7,000 rupees from Asha Power. With this controller, you can install 2 panels of 500 watt each. These panels will cost you around 20,000 rupees. Add stand and wiring, which will cost around 5,000 rupees. So overall, this setup will cost you around 30 to 32,000 rupees. Now let us talk about the second option. This option is for people using 2 batteries and looking for the lowest cost solution. For 2 batteries, you can use a PWM technology solar charge controller. Smart N offers this in their CVS series. This controller is available for around 3,000 rupees. On this controller, you can install 3 panels of 330 watt each. which you will get for around 17,000 rupees. Add stand and wiring, which will again cost around 5,000 rupees. With this, your complete setup will be ready in around 25,000 rupees. So now you clearly know how much it costs to install a 1 kilowatt off-grid solar setup. If you still have any question or suggestion, do not hesitate, write it in the comment box below. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share this video with others who are planning solar for their home, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Also press the bell icon so you keep getting such helpful videos on time. Thank you for watching.